In this video, I am going to teach you how to set reminders in Clickup so you never miss an important task. Adding reminders keeps you and your team on track. Stick around to help you manage deadlines better. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace for your marketing team. In the Space section, select a space where the task is located that you want to set a reminder for. Double-check that you're choosing the right project or list. Go to the task you want to set a reminder for and click the three dots next to it. This will open additional options for that task. In the options, choose Remind Me. This lets you quickly add a custom reminder without opening the whole task. Then choose your preferred time and date for the reminder. Once done, ClickUp will notify you at the scheduled time. And that's how to set reminders on ClickUp. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more bite-sized tutorials. See you next time!